Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to fix connection timeout error in Play ARK. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So a connection timeout error in ARK Survivor Evolved can be really frustrating. So here's a little breakdown of common solutions and troubleshooting steps. So you can simply check for CMD and type in as a run as administration and simply give it a prompt to fix the problem. Otherwise, you can also ensure your internet connection is stable and functioning correctly. Temporarily, you can also disable your router or firewall to see if it's blocking the connection. And along with this, some antivirus programs can interfere with connections, so try temporarily disabling it as well. Otherwise, if nothing works, you can simply use a VPN or proxy and disable everything to see if the connectivity problem is still occurring or not. Check for game updates and try to reinstall the game as well, or delete the cache or game data. And as the problem still persists, you can also try to restart the device itself. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.